Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I got one from Japan. This is from Maruchan, and it looks like a cup noodle, but it's not. It's wonton. It's dumpling. So you will see it's dumpling. Oh. Lid. So I had somebody on YouTube the other day say my show is unwatchable, and I love getting feedback like that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's like, wow. Tell me how you really feel, why don't you? Then don't watch it. It's not for you. It's for you who is watching and fascinated by this. I mean, come on. I've even added the big countdown clock. So if you really don't want to hear me yammer, you can just look at the clock, and the clock will, you can shuffle through the stuff, and then you don't even have to listen to me talk. You can just see me garnish at the end and watch me go, wow, this is great, or oh, this is bad stuff. I know it's 3 minutes. I'm honestly really loath to skip to not put the sachet in right now. I'm gonna do it. Mainly because, I don't know, these are gonna be slightly delicate, so I think you probably do put it in at this point due to the fact you don't want to make wonton soup mush, So I'm gonna put that in, and I'm just gonna kind of tamp it down a bit. Oh yeah, here we go. I hope these hydrate well. I will be irritated if they don't, because I require my wonton not to be crunchy unless the filling has onion inside. That could account for some crunchiness, but I don't think they usually put onion in them. And it's number 2 of 3 that I'm doing today. The next one, oh boy, I'm excited about that. This one though, this is interesting. This came in a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider to get yourself a nice little fancy discount if you do so desire. Zen Pop boxes are really good, I gotta say. They put some really neat stuff in those boxes. They really do. And I do a lot of reviews of stuff that they sent. I mean, they don't make the product, they just box it up. And they always have different crap in those boxes. The only downside, I would say, is that if you want to get pack varieties, you're not going to get it. You're going to get bowls and cups. So if you want packs, and you want to get 7 different packs a month, I don't think that's in the cards for you. Unless you've got a buddy in Japan that's going to send you 7 packs a month. I wish I did. I like doing pack versions too. Steeping is not my favorite way to create and work. Granted, the instant noodle is instant because you can just add boiling water, give it 3 minutes, and it's done. That's the whole point of the instant noodle. If you have to cook it, that's called a cooking noodle. I know, it really, But yeah, I like packs too. But they also do trays. So I think I've got one. Do I? I think I have a yakisoba tray from the last set that they sent. I could be wrong. They're sending those. They're sending the snack boxes now too, which comes with 1 variety to review, which is cool. Plus it's got like candy and like Japanese chips and things like that. So that's pretty cool. A while back, this company was sending me these boxes, and they were snack and candy boxes. And that was during the time my wife and I were always doing, we did a show called The Chocolate Break, and it was all reviewing chocolate varieties. And what happened was they kept sending these boxes for Chocolate Break. 90% of the box wasn't chocolate. Not only that, we're sitting there and we're like, this is gross. And they sent, God, they wouldn't even listen. They sent maybe like in all 12, 15, 20 boxes. And the last episode of the Chocolate Break we did, where we reviewed one, we put tape over our mouths and we subtitled it, and we were taking each item out of the box and throwing it over our shoulder and scowling at it. I mean, it was that bad. I was contacting the company saying, please stop sending this crap. They wouldn't listen. Bonito. Mushroom. Little fluffy bits. That could be egg. Oh, I think Tamago's in the title, so yeah, it's egg. And I think when I did the unboxing for this, it's like, oh, Tamago is egg, and Tarako is fish egg. Yeah. So I'll let you look at this, if you so desire. Or not, I don't care, you're going to look at it. So there it is. Now we'll try, since I have the soup spoon out, we will try one of these little dumplings. I think that's one. It's kind of hard to tell. Come here. I don't want two, I just want one. Because I don't know, the next one that I'm doing today could end up being a mukbang. I really am not sure. Could be spicy. Alright, cheers. Well, aside from burning and scalding the inside of my mouth in the extreme, folks, that's really good. My God. You get something in your mouth so freaking hot that it's like your tongue goes numb. I feel like the skin is peeling away from my tongue. That was so spicy. Or so temperature. Yeah, it was hot. So how do you garnish that? Well, my first thought, and an easy go-to, is our friend, the sesame seed. A little bit. And then we have our buddy old pal, a little bit of crushed red pepper, and some spring onion. I think that's about all we need to do. Right about there. Maybe a little more, right? There. Let's see. Yeah, that looks all right. I'll go with that. I can live with that. That makes me happy. I could put chicken on it, but I don't know. It's a very soft, soupy kind of thing. Are we staying upright? I think we are. Hey. Make sure this is right in the middle-ish. Let's see if that works. Here we go. Rotate, rotate, oh, rotate. the next one you're gonna see is from Indonesia. Another one thanks to Ferengi. She sent a whole bunch of stuff. This is Kobe and their Mi Bon Chabe, Mi Goreng, spicy level 15. Yeah, right there. Alright, this has been Oz the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day.